Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we start a new topic, that is number system from the basics. So in this session, we'll mainly focus on the concept related to number system, that is LCM. So in this LCM means least common multiple. So this was a lesson structure we are going to discuss in the further video. So first we'll go with the basic definition regarding LCM concept and what is the and how to approach this type of questions. And after that we'll go with some basic level of questions. After that some intermediate or medium level of questions. After that we'll go with some advanced level of questions. And at the end we'll solve some previous year questions that are asked in various level of exams or like PSUs or state government exams on this concept, that is LCM concept. So we'll start with the basic structure or basic So LCM means least common multiple. So we'll go with or we'll discuss with the various methods or various models to find the LCM and how to eliminate the incorrect answers by using the definition of LCM, and how to find the LCM of given numbers. So if given number, suppose if two numbers are given, how to find the LCM. If three numbers are given, how to find the LCM, and how to find the LCM by using shortcut method. We'll try to learn in this video. So first we'll start with the basic definition. So LCM, least common multiple. So here a word multiple was present here. So what it exactly means? So multiples are those numbers which are exactly divisible by the given number. Multiples are numbers which are exactly divisible by given numbers. The remainder has to get as 0. Suppose let us find LCM of 4 comma 9. So for that, what I need to write the multiples of 4 here. I need to write the multiples of 4 as 4 comma 8 comma 12 comma 16 comma 20 comma 24 and so on. And similarly, I need to write the multiples of 9 also, 9 comma 18 comma 27 comma 36 45 50 so on. So now I've written the multiples here. So in order to find the LCM of the given numbers, what you need to do is first you need to write the multiples of that particular number. Try to write start from right side and go to the left side. So first we need to find the multiples of given numbers, and then we need to find the common multiples. So second we need to take the common multiples, and at the end we need to take the least multiple common in. So we try to write the common multiples here. Common multiples of 4 comma 9. So what are the common multiples of 4 comma 9 here? So let's see here. Okay, okay 36. Okay, here also 36 was present. So the first common multiple is a 36. After that we'll get a 72. After that we'll get some other values here. But among these values, what we need is we need to choose the least or lowest possible value or lowest or minimum value. So in that case, find the LCM of 4 comma 9 here. So what is the least multiple common multiple among 36 and 72 here? So the least common multiple among 36, 72 and so on the number 36. Directly the LCM of 4 comma 9 will be of 36. This number, this multiple of 4 can be written as 4k1, where k1 belongs to natural numbers, and this can be written as a 9k2. Here also k2 belongs to natural numbers. 36 is also 36 k3. K3 is also belong to some natural number. So here k1 represents some natural numbers ranging from 1 to infinity. Here k2 is also represents natural numbers, and here k3 is also represents the same natural numbers. So from this we can derive one point here. So LCM of LCM of in order to find the LCM, The numbers we trying to find must belongs to the same family, belongs to the same family. Then only it is possible for us to find the LCM of given numbers. Suppose if I give or if I want to find the LCM of 2 comma pi, is it possible for us? No. Why? Because here 2 is a rational number and here pi is an irrational number here. Finding the LCM for two different set of numbers is not possible. The LCM is will not exist or cannot be find for this number. Let us try to take some other examples in order to understand further. Let's take one more example here. Suppose example 1, 1 by 3 plus by 5. So I need to find the value for this one. So usually what we take, we will take the LCM as a 3 pi. But just now only I told that here I need to find the LCM of 3 comma pi. But finding the LCM if not possible. Why? Because here is a 3 is a rational number and pi is an irrational number. But it's not exact. But why we are writing this here, this as a 3 pi here means, so why here we are modifying the equation here. So for the first one, I am writing like this: 3 pi by 3 pi plus pi pi. Now it is possible for me to take the LCM of 3 pi comma pi. So what are the multiples of pi are here? Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. And what are the multiples of 3 pi are 3 pi, 9 pi, and so on. So in these two, what are the common multiples? Common multiples are 3 pi, 9 pi, okay, 3 pi, 6 pi, 9 pi, and so on. So in this, we take the least one. So the least one here is, so the LCM of 3 pi comma pi will be of 3 pi. Likewise, we need to take the here the LCM as a 3 pi here. Okay. For a better understanding, let us also consider one more example here. Suppose example 2 here, 2 by root 3 plus 5 by 2. So what will be the LCM? So we need to find the LCM of comma root 3 here. But if I ask it is whether finding LCM is possible, no. Why? Because here some rational, some imaginary or complex number here. Then a complex number, this is a rational number here. Finding the LCM is possible. But what we do is we modify this equation as a 2 by root 3 plus 5 root 3 divided by 2. Now the LCM of root 3 comma I can easily LCM of root comma 2 root 3 I can take them. So so the LCM is 2 root 3 here. So from this we can conclude one point here is LCM of A comma B will be equals to here where A will be equals to A of K1 and B will be equals to A of K2, and here K1 K2 belongs to some natural number or same family. Then only finding the LCM is possible for us. I hope you are clear with this basic point here.